So hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can turn on quiet mode over on Instagram. So let's get started. Alright, so here I have my Instagram open right here. All you need to do, you're going to go to your profile section and navigate up to the top right. Click on these three horizontal lines and then click on settings. Once you're in your Instagram settings, here you will find notifications. Simply head to notifications. Now just simply turn on pause all. And once you toggle this on, we have this dialog box. You can pause your Instagram notifications from 15 minutes up to 8 hours. So you can choose any of them from here. So let's say I'm going to select any of them. So let's say I'm going to select 8 hours. Now what it basically does, now I'll not get any of the notifications up to 8 hours. Now Instagram will basically goes to a silent mode and I'll not get any of the Instagram notifications up to 8 hours. Now if you don't have this option pause all right here, then all you need to do, you're gonna go to your Google Play Store and search for Instagram and check if there is any update for Instagram is available. Then you're gonna go and update it to its latest version, because most of the time the reason behind these bugs and missing features is obviously the update. So you have to update Instagram to its latest version. Once the update is done, simply open your Instagram and retry the process. Simply go ahead, go to settings and go to notifications and pause all and toggle this on. So this is how you can turn on the quiet mode over on Instagram. So all for today's video guys, make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.